Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to Hello everyone and welcome to another video on MBAP's YouTube channel. Now today with this video that I have for you guys, I want you guys not just to watch it once, twice, thrice, but again and again, again and again. Why? Because this is the last 60 days of time that we are getting into our preparation mode. And I see this is time where a lot of students think that they start have this kind of thought of giving up on CAT. Okay, they think of, okay, CAT nahi ho raha hai, I will move to CET. CET is an exam which is easy exam. CMAT is an easy exam, so I'll move on that. These are some of the thoughts that people start getting in their mind. Guys, understand, okay, watch this video till the very end, okay, see it again and again, because after watching this video, I'm going to make sure that if I meet to any of my students, okay, at the end of CAT exam, which is on 29th of November के शाम को evening में अगर हम बात करेंगे, so I don't want any one of you guys to come and tell me this thing, sir, I actually didn't do that level of preparation towards the end, sir मेरे से नहीं हो पाया, मैंने छोड़ दिया, ठीक है. Those kind of things, I don't want any of my students to even have that thought after CAT exam, because I'm telling you, if you live with that particular thought, okay, at the end of your CAT exam, that is such a big guilt. Okay, like you have gone through your preparation, you have done a lot of things, and towards the end, if you have that thought towards the end, not a good thing, guys, not a good thing. So definitely this 60 days is going to make a lot of difference. Okay, CAT is definitely an exam which is you can associate that with a lot of your dreams. Okay, it is not about a degree or a padhai or any MBA. It is about the kind of life that you want to give to yourself. Definitely, if you get into a good corporate, okay, you get into good college, the good opportunities, okay, entire thing, yeah, like your lifestyle changes, okay, your thought process changes, everything. Okay, that means definitely we can say this, that if you work for these next 60 days, it can change your life as well. Okay, so before I go ahead, okay, a quick reminder that please do subscribe to the channel in case you have come to our channel for the first time. Also follow us on Instagram, because you have daily updates coming up on both these platforms. All right, so look at this, okay, and read it with me. Okay, if you wake up without goals, you know, go back to sleep. Okay, so if you wake up without goals, go back to sleep. Okay, like this is such a hitting statement. Why? Because I have just put a video which talks about the daily plan, okay, the daily target. I've given a lot of work in there. Okay, I've given you mocks, I've given you test, I've given you like how you're supposed to work on the previous CAT papers. I've given you detailed plan. But yes, that requires for you to make a plan. That requires for you to set up goals. Okay, if not goals on a weekly basis, do it on a daily basis. Like daily, ये करके ही सोना है. I'm not going to sleep if I'm not going to complete this much part. So you have these things. You should have these things. I see that people waking up in the morning and then sitting and deciding कि आज मुझे क्या करना है. Understand, you wake up at 8 in the morning or 9 in the morning or 10 in the morning, whatever time that you wake up. Okay, I don't care, because it depends on what time you're sleeping. But in the morning, if you wake up and then you spend a half an hour or 45 minutes just thinking of what I'm going to do today, okay, you've already wasted half of the day, I can tell you that. That means you have to make your plan clear a night before, that tomorrow morning when I get up, this is what I have to do. Okay, and that can happen if you have a well-defined plan ready for yourself. Go back and watch that video. That's why I'm telling it, okay, that I want you guys to have a goal. When you wake up in the morning, you should know what is that you have to work, okay, today to improve your scores in your CAT mocks, okay, CAT exam. Okay, next thing, a lot of people have this thing, I wish I had this, okay, I wish I had this. I mean, this is all blah blah things. I see a lot of people watching all those YouTube lives, okay, where all those fancy things are being spoken. But understand, guys, those things will not help you much. Okay, what is going to help you is what you are going to do. Okay, and if at all you just think of कि अरे wow, I am अहमदाबाद पहुंच के ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा, firstly the day you land those colleges you will see that कि जितना बाहर से अच्छा पिक्चर दिखता है, ठीक है, कि ऐसा life fun life is fun, but अंदर जाने के बाद you have to slog, you have to work hard for that. Okay, no one is going to give you those lakhs of salary just to have parties. Okay, that's not reality. You do party on your offs, okay, but the other 4 or 5 days you have to work hard, you have to work hard. So for that you'll have to work hard now to make sure that you create that value for yourself in this world. And that's why you have to start saying to yourself that no, I will make this happen. Okay, I will make this happen. I will get into a top college, I will get into an IIM. This is what you have to talk to yourself. Okay, because everything is hard. Yes, everything is hard before it is easy. People say अरे sir CAT बहुत difficult है, नहीं हो रहा है, CAT नहीं हो रहा है, I will go for an easy exam. Okay, no sir. Okay, so understand. I mean, if I talk about a student who scored 150 and got into an IIM, okay, and any of the colleges, did he score 150 in the first go? I'm telling you that students who have given CAT last year they scored 90 percentile. Okay, they are coming this time again. When I'm taking advanced lectures for them, even they feel some of the questions on a difficult side for them. So even they are putting effort, they are taking effort. They are. It's not that everything is going to be easy. Like हाँ इस बंदे ने तो पहले CAT दिया है ना, इसका तो 90 percentile आया था, इस बार तो इसका 99 आ ही जाएगा. It is not like that, guys. Everyone has to work hard. Everyone has to work hard because after working hard, then it becomes easy for you after a point of time. It becomes easy for you after a point of time, after taking a lot of effort. Okay, maintaining those consistency, giving back-to-back mocks, giving difficult mocks, solving difficult sets. That is going to eventually make you reach to a level where you can say that yes, now it is easy for me. So that is going to come only when you move out of your comfort zones. Okay, that is why I'm saying that 60-day plan, 6 to 7 hours of daily preparation. Leave your sleep. Okay, have the minimum sleep that you can have. Okay, 4 or 5 hours is good enough. Have 5 hours of sleep. Okay, get up in the morning, have the plan ready before a night before that. Okay, and execute that. Come out of your comfort zones and prepare it. Okay, it is only a matter of 60 days. Okay, daily effort, daily plan is there. Go ahead, just crack the exam. Okay, we are there to help you out. Any doubts, anything is there, our faculties are available. Okay, on the WhatsApp groups we are doing 24/7 doubt clearing. Okay, we are there for live doubt clearing also. So you guys have to do only one thing, is to put in the effort, put in that number of hours. Okay, anything, because you're doing that personal mentoring also. You get any doubt, okay, we are getting in touch with the students on a one-on-one basis, solving things, guiding them the right thing, that what they should do. If at all you are feeling that no, this is one area, this is one area which I should not do, I'm not able to cope up with other things, should I skip this or not, come and ask us. Okay, put that thing in the comment section down there, to make sure that you are working ahead, growing and growing. That is what we want. Come out of the comfort zones, work on the daily plans, and keep growing every day, guys. Okay, so make sure that you're forwarding this video, okay, liking the video, sharing it with your friends. Okay, and make sure that your performance in the last 60 days comes to a peak. Okay, this is the time where you should come to a peak, where your performance has to go up and only up. Marks, okay, this can fluctuate, but your effort should go up and up. Okay, so marks will definitely fluctuate. You don't have to worry on that. You just have to keep on improving. All the best, guys. Okay, I want my students to perform well, and that's the reason I put this video. Okay, if you like it, please do press the like button and do subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.